Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to add the attachment for the balloon and the path for the air of the balloon to go out the car to propel the car. So what we have on my screen right here is the balloon car that I'm working on. What you will need to do this is a plane that runs directly through the center. So in order to make a plane that directly goes through the center, if there is not one already there, you click on plane right here. Once that comes up, we are going to select from the drop down a midplane. Once you have a midplane selected, you're going to come over and select two opposite sides of the car. There you have it. And then you just hit the check mark, and you'll now see I have this plane 6 right here that is midplane through it. I don't need plane 6. I'm just going to hide it from view by clicking the little eye, and now we can get started. First thing we're going to do is do the attachment for the balloon, and I'm going to do that as a revolve feature on that middle plane. So I'm going to hit Shift X. What this allows me to do is create a section view of the car right through. So I Shift X, select the plane that runs through, hit the check mark. So now the car is not cut in half, but it's cut in half in view for viewing purposes. Hit the right side. Okay, and now I'm going to create a sketch right on that plane. That's there. And I'm going to go in and just use the line tool and create something that looks like the barb for a balloon to attach to. Now, when you do this, I'm putting in, I don't really have dimensions that I'm using for this. I'm just kind of making them up as I go. You're going to want at least 1/4 of an inch, if not more, for the diameter. Like that. And there we have it. Now I have this little piece down there. I could trim that. And there we go. So that's going to be the barb. Once I have that sketch, I hit the check mark. I go to the revolve function, hit revolve, and I will do around the axis like that. And there is the barb. So we have it. Now, once I'm here, I'm going to create the hole up on top. So I'm actually going to do Shift X, get rid of that, create sketch up on top of this. I'm then going to hit U for use. I'm going to use this outer circle to get a center point, create a circle like that. I would try to get one at least 0.25 if you can. If this is just for demonstration, hit the check mark. I'm now going to hit Shift X again, select that plane. What I need to do is create a path with that center point going out the back of the car. So I'll bring this over. I'm going to start drawing a sketch on that. Go. Take a line, come right up to that midpoint, come straight down. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out the back like that. Now I want a smooth arc. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to use the fillet tool, select that point. It's a radius of 0.25. I like that. Click OK. So now I have the path. Once you have the path good, you can finish that sketch. Now, next step is the sweep. Probably the most important part. Hit sweep. You're going to select the circle that you need, then the sweep path. And you can see it starts adding it through. Out the back of the car, hit remove, and check mark. Now, sometimes I will make the path come way out past the back of the car so that I know that if there's an angle, it removes it. But that is Shift X, how you create the top of the balloon and the hole for the air to come out. And like I said, try to get at least 0.25 inches, if not more. All right, everyone, that is a midplane, sweep, revolve, everything in one shot for the balloon handle. All right, people, have a great day. Bye.